Start to make paint now inside kitchen. First, we make this, what you call this, dar filling. And then after become dry this filling, then you clean by what? Rimal. You call that, we call that in our Tagalog, lihiya. This one, rimal is, we are using this one before that when we are small. We are using before to clean this deski or casserole now, because we are using this in wood, so all black. So we are using this one to wash this container or container. First this side, and then after this filling will become dry, then clean by Rigmar. And then after that you start now to make paint by what? This one, this temper, this one. So this one is enough that only for kitchen inside.
This I start, I don't know what is enough.
So what is possible to make paint, and this one what is enough. So what is important is only inside this kitchen. Ayan, yung mga yun dito. Ayan. And then dito. And today, inshallah, they will fix this another marble. And marble also this sink and this door. This is door and this is window from here. So today also, inshallah, they will come today to fix this window and door and this marble and this basin. Ayan. And these are what you call this, that, right? Ito yung buhangin kasi kulang pa. So this is still not enough here because we make door. Ayan. We broke this door from here. Because that time when we make this kitchen, no enough these materials like this sand and cement. So, ayan o. Making paint this window so that we can fix now this glass. Already finished here inside. First coating. Must be third coating there. Three coatings. So this is first coating inside and then also outside. So two coatings more. Now making paint in washroom. This up there ceiling no need to make paint here in dito sa taas. Ito ay lantern semento. Ito lang yung washroom namin na lantern semento ang roof. First coating, second coating, this one. Second coating. Ayan, ito na yung washroom namin. Natapos na nilakay na pinturahan. Kaya lang basa-basa pa oh. Ayan. Saka na lang daw ito lalagyan ng yung tawag doon? Tiles. Pag may pera na. Ito yung ginamit nila kaya na pang pintura. Ayan. Meron pala kaming dito kasi yung binan ko noon, dito siya tumira bago siya mamatay. Kaya ngayon wala nang gumagamit dito kasi hindi kami sanay dito na gagamit. Ito yung gamit namin. Yan. Masanay kami ng ganito. Siguro pagtanda na namin, dito na kami uupo. Kasi mahirap yung yung ito na uupo pag matanda na kami. Kaya lang pinagawa namin ito noon kasi dito nga tumira yung binan kong babae. Hindi din siya nagtagal na ginamit ito. Bago nga siya mamatay sa umaga nakagamit pa siya dito. Tapos nung umaga na yun, yun din yung kanyang pagkamatay. Yang na yan, sit na yan. Kaya dito lang yan dito. Yan. At saka ito naman yung washing machine, dami na lalagahin. This is paya, cow, a feed for cow. And in Tagalog, this is bulalo. Paa ng baka. Ayan. But we have to boil this very soft. And maybe almost 8 hours. We boiled this one yesterday. Now we have to put this soup gravy. Wow. And yung taba-taba. After boiling this very soft, then we make masala, fry garlic, onions, tomatoes, and put this paya masala and these lentils, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, salt, and what is more, like that. Then this is the way we cook here. This is Pakistani dish, and this is very expensive kind of dish. Making filling first, then after you make pent herdar. Before there is cabinets here, then we remove these cabinets, and then we transferred already in our old kitchen. So yun na yung cabinets. Yan, dito na nilagay sa old kusina namin. Ayan. Ito nilagay. And then we have to make more here. 2 more like this. Like this. In this place here. Ayan. So for the meantime, lang ito, tambayan, higaan. Lalo na pa kasi pag summer, masarap dito matulog. Kasi bukod sa may kisame, merong doon sa taas ay merong roof na made of meat, tapos meron din yero na atip. So malamig-lamig dito pag summer, lalo ngayon summer. Pero dito sa aking lugar, kahit summer dito, malamig talaga. So mas malamig talaga kung dito ako. Kaya most of the time dito din ako natutulog, kami nilangga. Ayan, Kaya nilagyan ko ng dito mattress. Ayan, dito naman silangga. Ayan, pinold ko na lang. So ito na yung aking old kitchen. Ayan, nilipat ko na lahat yung mga gamit sa new kitchen namin. Itong shelf na ito, dito lang yan. Remain lang siya dito. So ito hindi ko na magagamit, dito ko lang ilagay. Ilagay. Ayan, So gawin namin itong stock room, pwede din dito. Kung ano-anong ilagay. Ayan. ito. Dito pwede din lagay. Wala nang ilaw. Dim na yung ilaw. Oh. Naging dim na yung ilaw. Dito yung main switch sa sa kusina. At sa dito naman yung aking lababo. Ayan oh. Dalawang tokri tawag nila dito yung paglalagyan ng mga plates. So hinugasan ko ito, dito ko na lang nilagay. Kasi may paglalagyan na ako doon sa new kitchen ko. Ayan. And then ito naman yung dito ko nilalagay dati yung aking gas cylinder, and then dito yung stove. So dito ko na nilipat yung yung paglalagyan ng ng arena. Ang pwede tawag nila dito. So dito ko na lang ilagay. Yan, walang ilaw kasi dim yung ilaw. So ito, na ito ang tawag diyan, dito. Dati dito noon maraming nakalagay na mga gamit-gamit. So ngayon ito na lang yung aking mga gamit dito. Ayan. May din dito, double bed. Ayan. So maluwang na kasi dati noon dami kong nilalagay dito kasi wala nga akong paglalagyan na kung ano-ano. Kaya nilipat ko lahat yung aking mga kitchen utensils doon sa bagong kusina. Ito naman yung main room. Ayan. Ito yung aking main room with sofa. So labas tayo. Ayan, maganda ang weather ngayon. Today is ngayon, July 15 and today is Monday. And time now in Pakistan is 12:30 noon. Kahapon, grabe yung lakas ng ulan, hailstorm. Hailstorm muna, ang tataba, ang lalaki ng yung mga hailstorm. Around 2:15 PM nag-start yung yung hailstorm, and then kasabay ng kasabay ng ulan. So ayun yung niluluto namin na bulalo o kaya paya. Dito natapos nilakay kasi kulang na naman yung yung fillings ba na panglagay dito. Ito lalagyan din ito ng kisame. Natapos nila. Saka yung dito.